In this video we take a look at the Bachmann Webb Coal Tank 062. It represents my first purchase from the Model Centre, who had this model on offer with a very significant price reduction. The model is full of old world charm and well detailed. It comes with some etched brass plates that I was going to fit, however the printed number plates already on the loco are more legible and therefore I won't fit the plates. So let's see the loco in action. The scenario for our little story is the loco is sorting out its train of wagons, firstly collecting the London based wagons and then adding them to more from the London North Western region. Finally she heads off to collect the brake van before pulling the train onto the main line, reversing and heading off. I've selected wagons that operated on the London North Western region based on my Wonderful Wagons video database. The loco adds to my growing collection of pre-grouping models. They came to traffic back in 1881 and eventually numbered some 300 locos, all built at Crewe. In 1923 the London North Western Railway became part of the LMS. 64 of the class transferred into British Railways ownership in 1948. The model number 1054 represents the preserved example of the coal tanks. The engine had been working in Wales until 1958 when it was sent for scrap. An appeal was started to preserve it and the required £500 purchase price was raised. "1054 was the first steam locomotive to be preserved as a result of a public appeal, and therefore set the standard for many further preservation attempts that followed. After many years of use in preservation, the loco was given a full overhaul in 2011. Still based at the Keighley and Worth Valley Railway, she has been loaned to other preserved railways, notably the Bluebell Railway in 2017. I'll link to a good video of her in action at the end of this video. All that remains for me to do now is wish everybody all the best for 2020.